dear and lovely students, welcome to Active Learners Point. Welcome in the English class. This class is for standard first, semi-English, Urdu. Let's learn English with more fun. Are you enjoying this English class? You are enjoying na? Very good. So dear students, today we are going to learn from your page book number 19, chapter number 2.6, look, listen and say. Look, listen and say. देखो, सुनो और दोहराओ. Are you ready? Let's start. This is D. 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 Doctor. D. Duster. D. Dog. D. Duck. Doctor, duster, dog, duck. These words start or begin with letter D. D. Understood? Very good. So dear students, look at these next pictures. This is F. F. F को क्या बोलेंगे आप? F. 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 Frog. F. Fridge. F. Frog. F. Frame. Frog. Fridge. Frog. Frame. These words begin with letter F. F. Understood? Very good. See the next pictures. This is letter M. M. M को आप क्या बोलेंगे? M. What is the phonic sound of M? M. 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 Mango. M. Mobile. M. Mug. M. Man. Mango. Mobile. Mug. Man. These words begin with letter M. M. Isn't it? Yes, very good. See the next pictures. This is letter N. 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 The phonic sound of N is N. N. Nest. N. Nose. N. Nut. N. Net. Nest. Nose. Nut. Net. These words begin with letter N. 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 Understood? Very good. So dear students, you have to listen and repeat. Listen carefully and repeat with me. सुनिए और मेरे साथ साथ दोहराइए. Dog. Frog. Dog. Frog. Man. Pan. Fan. Thanks for watching. Man. Pan. Fan. Bag. Tag. Bag. Tag. Ball. Tall. Call. Ball. Tall. Call. Nose. Rose. Nose. Rose. Net. Pet. Net. Pet. Clap. Tap. Clap. Tap. Frame. Name. Frame. Name. Understood? Very good. Listen and match. Listen and match. Boat. Goat. Like boat. Goat. See the next. Man. Man match with cat, goat, fan or best. Man match with fan. Nest. Best. Bake. Cake. Understood? Very good. Question number 4 है. Trace the dots. You have to trace the dots like this. D. D, D, F, 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 M, 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 N, N, N. Done? Very good. Very nice. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.